A CAT Customer Value Agreement brings hassle-free maintenance and ownership, security of dealer support, and peace of mind from equipment health management together in one plan. There are CVAs for owners who prefer to do their own maintenance, and CVAs for those who would rather their CAT dealer do it for them. And CVAs with dealer labor, you get more than just great parts. You get complete support. All scheduled maintenance, inspections, and fluid sampling are performed by CAT dealer technicians at the proper intervals and to exact specifications. The result? Less hassle, fewer disruptions, and the confidence that maintenance is done right every time. Maintenance is planned around your operation, not the other way around. And with the detailed service records kept by your dealer, you can get more out of your investment if you decide to resell. Let's talk about how the services in a CVA help catch issues early and help you plan ahead. One example is condition monitoring, which evaluates key elements like machine data and service history to identify patterns and provide real-time insights and information, all based on expert knowledge of your equipment and business. Then you have SOS fluid analysis, which uses fluid sampling data to identify early signs of wear or contamination before failures occur. And of course, you get our services commitment, which means you get parts and repairs fast. And if the part is delayed or a repair doesn't happen when promised, you get paid. CVAs help you stay ahead of the game with a plan for the unexpected. The goal is simple: make your ownership costs more predictable, plan your service and repairs more effectively, and protect your investment over the full life of the machine. Your dealer is with you and your machine every step of the way. You run the business, we'll handle the service. Talk to your CAT dealer about a customer value agreement today and keep your work moving forward.